Okay, so I have a very quick video for you today. I just bought a cargo basket off of eBay, and I wanted to kind of show you how easy it is to set up and my thoughts on it so far. So again, the main reason that I bought a cargo basket instead of a cargo box was I had a cargo box before, and not only are they a little bit cumbersome and they, have a little bit of wind drag and all that kind of stuff, they're just sometimes kind of awkward to get into and stuff gets lost in them and they're kind of hard to access. So I just wanted a cargo basket where I could throw things like my dog's kennel and just, stuff that can, pack up flat, and I can just put it up there, bungee cord it down. I don't have to worry about them or anything like that. So this one, I forget the model number of it, but it was just a generic eBay cargo basket. The one thing that was cool about this one is that it was a longer cargo basket, so there's actually a little bit more storage space. So that's pretty cool. And this particular unit only cost $140 with free shipping, and it got here in like 3 or 4 days. So pretty good deal. I know it's not the cheapest cargo basket you could ever get. There's cheaper ones at like Harbor Freight and stuff, but I wanted a bigger one, and this one kind of fit the bill. This one actually works pretty well, and it's really easy to mount onto your rails. It's just had some little U-loops that you just kind of tighten down with thumb screws, and it works great. I put a couple of stickers on the front, and I think it looks great on the Ford Transit Connect. I can throw firewood up there. Anyways, yeah, I just kind of wanted to share this. I'll have links to this cargo basket in the description below. There will be affiliated links, so if you buy from those links, then it helps out this channel. And yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Later.